You're looking for a compact camera that packs a punch, and today I'm reviewing the Canon G7X. It's a digital camera designed specifically for photography enthusiasts who want high-quality images without the bulk of a DSLR. The Canon G7X has some amazing specs, including a whopping 64 gigabytes of memory, a 12-inch tripod for stable shots, high speed for capturing fast-moving objects. It comes with 20 items in the box. Its sleek silver color looks amazing, and it also includes a USB reader for easy file transfer. This camera is perfect for real-world use, whether you're at a concert or just taking a stroll in the park. I've been using the Canon G7X for a while now, and I have to say, it's been a great experience. The image quality is amazing, and the camera is really easy to use, even for someone who's not that familiar with photography. The compact size makes it perfect for taking with you on the go, so you can capture all those special moments. The high speed is great for capturing fast-moving objects, like kids or pets, and the 64 gigabytes of memory is plenty of space for all your photos and videos. The silver color looks really sleek and professional, so it's a great choice for anyone who wants a high-quality camera that looks great too. The 12-inch tripod is really useful for stable shots, and the USB reader makes it easy to transfer your files to your computer so you can edit and share them with your friends and family. The 20 items that come with it are really useful, so you have everything you need to get started and take great photos and videos. The Canon G7X is a great choice for anyone looking for a compact camera that can deliver high-quality images, and with its sleek design and easy-to-use interface, it's perfect for beginners and experienced photographers alike. Overall, I'd give the Canon G7X an 8 out of 10. It's an amazing little camera that's perfect for anyone who wants high-quality images without the hassle of a big camera. So, if you like this review, please like and subscribe for more tech reviews, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. The Canon G7X is a great camera, and I'm sure you'll love it. It's perfect for anyone who wants high-quality images without the hassle of a big camera. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you all in the next video with more reviews and tech news. Thanks for watching. The Canon G7X is a great choice for anyone looking for a compact camera that can deliver high-quality images. With its sleek design, easy-to-use interface, 64 gigabytes of memory, 12-inch tripod, high speed, 20 items in the box, and USB reader, it's perfect for beginners and experienced photographers alike.